I'm now going to show you another illustration of standing waves. This time I'm going to use a piece of rope and I've tied it to the chair over there. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to wave this end up and down a bit. I'm going to try to find the right frequency to get a nice standing waves. Now, because it's fairly difficult to keep this thing stretched, right, I'm going to let it hang. That in turn makes it easier to find standing waves that are circular. So a wave like this, it could be going up and down, or it could be left and right, like towards you and away from you. Both are possible oscillations. If I combine them, it could be going to the left while it's going up, and to the right while it's going down, and then I might be getting a motion that is like this, something like that. So the standing waves, just in two directions at the same time. It's easier to get in practice with a rope like this. So if I try to move my hand in a little circle at some frequency, I'm going to get some sort of motion. Actually, it was almost there. But if I do this, it's just a mess, right? Let's sort of find a fundamental. So it's fairly intuitive for us humans to do. There you go, right? If you've ever seen kids playing these little games, jump rope, two people holding it, one on each end. You've got to find the right frequency. Kids can find standing waves. If they go too fast, it doesn't work anymore. Let's see if I can find the first overtone, or the second harmonic. Right? I found a fundamental. The fundamental was easy. It's right here. Let's see if I can find the next one up. It's very difficult with this rope to make that work. It's a lot faster. Struggling clearly. Let's try this again. There we go. It's very good. So you can. There we go. Now we got it. And you can see there's a node in the middle. It's almost a node. It's of course not perfect, but there are two clear antinodes. They're circular, right? But this is my first overtone. Of course, hard to jump rope. Can I get the next overtone? Probably not. It was hard enough for me. My arm's starting to hurt. I have to move it really fast. Have to be even faster. I think it's just impossible to do. But what I can do is traveling waves. Bouncing back and forth. Here we go again. This is the second harmonic once more. That's possible to find. Third one, have to go 1.5 times as fast. I'm not sure I can do that. There you go. Kids can do standing waves.